Okay, well, we're trying something new here today. We're out at Lake Decker. And I've got sinking tip fly line on. I can't cast it to save my life. And it's super cold. So this line's all stiff and twisted up. But anyway, we're in 50 feet of water, and it looks like there's a bunch of fish down around 30 feet. So I'm trying to see if I can get a fly down that deep with the sinking tip line, and maybe coax a hybrid or some white bass or whatever's down deep. Ooh, this might actually work. Feels like it's actually getting down there. Not getting down 30 feet, but it's getting down. So if I can find a way to get this thing to cast, I think over time we'll just get this line stretched out a little bit. I'm gonna go over into some shallower water in a little bit, and we'll try it over there. Yeah, it says they're hanging out about 30 feet. I don't even have 30 feet of line out, so unless they're gonna come up for it, this is not going to work. I'll keep giving it a couple of shots here. We'll see. Let's see if I can find out how to cast. Get this line warmed up a bit. We can actually get it to cast. Okay, so our plans of using a depth finder to help find some structure and stuff in deeper water, so we can see if we can target some hybrid and white bass, ended because both of the batteries I had for my depth finder died. So I'm gonna still try the same thing. We'll just be doing it blind. Not really sure. It's gonna be a lot harder, obviously, because I don't know how deep it is, and that's the biggest thing. It's not really finding fish, and knowing where the bait fish are is helpful, but it's really helpful knowing how deep it is and how long you got to let that line sink. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Okay, now this is the fly I'm going to try to start here. A little white. Water's off color a little bit. I figure I go with and it's really bright today, so I figure we go with a brighter color. I'm not getting the distance I want with this line, but if it sinks and gets us down to fish, we'll be okay. I'll have to get up closer to the reeds. I'm going to try and get out of this wind. There's a little channel right over there. I'm going to try that little channel. Okay, I have abandoned the sinking line. We're going back to floating line. It was a pain. It had a lot of memory, and it was I couldn't cast it very far, and I don't think I was getting any deeper with it than I was with the floating line. Just coming in slow. So let's try it. Straight out in front here. Got him. Finally, we got a fish. Just a little guy, but finally we got something. Ooh. Man, didn't think we were gonna get any today, and we ended up getting a little micro bass. Oh shoot. Oh, we finally got another one. Ooh, oh, a nice one too. Wow. Boy, it took us all day to get this sucker. Oh man, that's a nice one. Ooh. I was actually getting ready to recast when he came up and hit it. Oh man. Oh man, yeah, he's probably close to 20. He's 19. Nice. Alrighty. There you go. Thank you. Got him. Right there at the kayak. Feels like a crappie. No, little bass. Sweet. Well, that's 2 bass in, I don't know, what, 10 minutes? Just a little guy. Thank you. All right, well, the first fishing trip of 2024 is in the books. Wasn't great fishing-wise. We only got 3. Weather was perfect. No complaints at all on the weather. You know, this morning I was trying that sinking line. That didn't work out well. I actually find that you just do a longer leader with the floating line. You can still get down 8, 12 feet. You're not getting down 20 or 30, but I'm not convinced that the sinking line was getting that deep anyway. And yeah, anyway, and then my depth finder, replaced the transom, everything was perfect. Battery died. I got crud. So we were fishing blind today, but absolutely gorgeous day. Looks like we're gonna have a gorgeous sunset as well. Cannot wait to come out and do it again. Till next time.